students, welcome back to my online class video standard 4th subject maths. Today we will learn something new on the basis of this chapter number 1 fraction. Students, you know very well about the meaning of fraction. Fraction means the two values given numerator and denominator. So let's learn what is the meaning of fraction and how we find out the value of fraction. Here you can see the paragraph and the figure is given in the first page of this chapter. So I'm going to explain you in detail. A bar of chocolate is to be shared equally between two friends, Rina and Shalu. So the bar of the chocolate has to be divided into two equal parts. One chocolate is given, and here we divide the chocolate into two equal parts to the two friends, Rina and Shalu. Each one gets 1 divided by 2, that means 1/2 of the chocolate bar. Because here we divide the chocolate into two parts, so here the chocolate will be divided into 1.5. So whole chocolate bar is given here, you can see in this first page, and here we divide the chocolate into 1/2 into two parts. So 1/2 part is here, you can see, and the third is again 1/2 part. So 1/2 or 1/2 is a fraction, thus each one get one piece out of two equal pieces. Next, I'm going to explain you in this exercise 1.1. Question number 1, fill in the boxes to equivalent fraction one has been done for you. Number 1 sum is already solved. Here you can see the circle is given and the one column is totally colored. So total four column is there, okay, and one is colored. So here we write the particular circle as a fraction 1/4. Why here we write 1? Because one column is covered and all rest is empty, so total is 4, and numerator is 1 and denominator is 4, so write 1/4. Next, in the circle, how many parts there? Total 8 parts, so denominator is 8. And how many parts is colored? 2 parts is colored, so write 2/8. Same we apply this method in the second questions. Here one box is given, total 2 parts is there, so our total is 2, so write 2 as a denominators. And how many part is covered? Only one part is colored, so write 1/2. Next, here you can see the same box is given and total how many part? 1 2 3 4, 4 part is there in the next box. And how many part is colored? 2 part is colored, so our fraction is 2/4. In the denominator, always write the total part of the particular shape, and the numerator write the shaded part, that means colored part. Next, the question number 3, give the first 5 equivalent fractions. So here fraction is given. Here we finding the first 5 equivalent fractions. First 5 equivalent fractions. So here we multiply the fraction with 2, then multiply with 3, then multiply with 4, then multiply with 5. So in the first questions I had already solved by using all the numbers and multiply the fraction with the particular numbers and finding the 5 equivalent fraction. So 4/7 question is given in the first one. So write 4 into 2, 7 into 2. So our first equivalent fraction is 8/40. Next, write comma. We multiply 4/7 with 3. 4 3s are 12 and 7 3s are 21. So this is your second equivalent fraction. Next, multiply the 4/7 with 4. 4 4s are 16, 7 4s are 28. So this is your third equivalent fraction. Next, multiply 4/7 with 5. This is your fourth equivalent fraction. So multiply 4 5s are 20 and 7 5s are 20. Always remember, we multiply the number denominators and numerators same. If we multiply the 5 in numerator, same we multiply 5 in the denominator. So write 5 4s are 20 and 7 5s are 35. Next, finding the fifth equivalent fraction of this number, write 4/7, 4 into 6 and 7 into 6. Then write your answer is 24/42. So due to this way, we finding the 5 equivalent fraction of particular number. We use this method in finding the 5 equivalent. Next, question number 4. In this question, here we finding the pairs of fraction are equivalent or not. That means the fraction is same or not. If the both the fraction is, here you can see the two fraction is given, 2/3 and 4/5 is given. So here we do the cross multiplication. Here we cross multiply. If the both answer is same, so our fraction is equal. If the both answer is not same, so our fraction is not equivalent. Okay. So let's solve this sum. 2 upon 3 comma 4 upon 5, this is your question. So here we do the cross multiplication, then give a cross sign in between both question, then write 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 5. Then here we multiply 2 with 5, 2 into 5, and 4 with 3, then write 4 into 3. So 5 2s are 10 and 4 into 3, that is 12. So 10 12. So the multiplications answer of this multiplication is 10 and 12. So both fraction is equal? No. The both fraction is not equal because one is 10 and another is 12. So give a sign of not equal in between 10 and 12, like this, 10 and 12. So give the sign of not equal because this both fraction is not equivalent. Then write in the sentence, fractions are not equivalent. Next question. 3 upon 6 comma 7 upon 14. Again we do the multiplication method. Write 3 upon 6 multiply by 7 upon 14. So here we multiply 3 with 14 and 7 with 6. So 14 3s are 42 and 7 6 are 42. So multiplication of both this number is 42 and 42. So yes, this fraction is equivalent because both answer is same. So due to this we will finding the fraction are equivalent or not, and write in the last fraction are equivalent. Next exercise 1.2, proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fraction. The very first, students, you should know about what is the meaning of proper fraction, what is the meaning of improper fraction, and what is the meaning of mixed fraction. Proper fraction means the numerator is smaller and the denominator is greater. If this type of question is given in this box, so we color the particular box in green. So here you can see the proper fraction, the denominator is greater. That means the down amount is greater as compared to the numerator. So 2 upon 3, 8 upon 45, 67 upon 89, 34 upon 78, 57 upon 80, and find 5 upon 12. All these numbers are called as proper fraction. So that is why here we colored this box in green color. Next, finding the improper fraction. Here we find in the box the improper fraction, and we color the box with yellow. Improper fraction means the numerator is greater as compared to denominator. Denominator is smaller and numerator is greater. So this fraction is known as improper fraction. So let's find out the improper fraction. 20 upon 56, 8 upon 1, 37 upon 7, 10 upon 4, 12 upon 9, 29 upon 6, 76 upon 5, 5 and 66 upon 1. All these fraction is known as imperfection and color. Next, find the mixed fraction. Mixed fraction, here you can see the 3 digit is given, like 3 integer 2 upon 3, 14 upon 3 upon 14 integer 3 upon 4, 4 integer 1 upon 5, 4 integer 1 upon 2, 34 integer 5 upon 6, 3 integer 4 upon 7. So this type of fraction is known as mixed fraction, and by finding this fraction and color all the box, all the mixed fraction with blue color. Next, the question number 2, identify whether the given set of the fraction are like fraction or unlike fraction. Like fraction, very first you should know about what is the meaning of like fraction. Like fraction means all the numerator is, you have to see, you have finding the all the number is same or not. If all the denominator number is same, so this particular the denominator is not same, sum is different and sum is different, so is known as unlike fraction. So here in this question, first number is unlike fraction. Why? Because the starting 3 denominator is 7 7 7, but the last is 9, so first is known as unlike fraction. Next, 7 upon 5, 17 upon 5, 4 upon 5, 5 upon 5, all the denominator is 5 5 5 5, so all the number is same. Yes, so this number, so this question is known as like fraction. Next, 6 upon 8, 9 upon 8, all the denominator is same. Yes, so this question is known as like fraction. So like this, find out the like fraction and unlike fraction by using this method. Next, in the question number 3, circle the like fraction in blue and the unlike fraction in like fraction. You know very well the denominator is same. So if in the question the denominator is same, so circle with blue. If the denominator is different, so it is known as unlike fraction, then circle with red. So 3 upon 5, 4 upon 5 is like fraction, color with blue. 8 upon 9, 3 upon 9, is like fraction. The circle with blue 5 upon 7, 2 upon 5 is unlike fraction. Then circle with red. Next, question number 4. Convert the following mixed fraction to improper fraction. So in this fraction here you can see the question is given into mixed fraction, and here we convert the mixed fraction to improper fraction. Improper fraction means here we convert our answer into improper. Our answer is in the form of improper fraction. The meaning of improper fraction, that means the denominator is smaller and the numerator is greater. So our answer will come into improper fraction. So very first we have to change this question. So multiply first question 2 is a 3.4. So here we multiply 2 with 4. 2 4s are 8 and plus 3. So 8 plus 3 equal to 11.4, and write denominator as it is same. So our answer is 11.4. Here you can see the answer is 11.4. That means our answer is in the form of improper fraction because the numerator is smaller and the numerator is greater and the denominator is smaller. Next, second integer 1 upon 4. Again we multiply. We change this improper fraction, mixed fraction into a improper fraction. So we multiply 6 into 4. 6 was 24 plus 1. That means 25 upon 4. Here you can see our answer is into improper fraction. That means 25 upon 4. Numerator is greater and denominator is smaller. Next, convert the following improper fraction mixed fraction. Here you can see always to the division method and the cycling method because our question is not in the form proper. So always do division method at the time of improper question. So our question is in the form of improper. That means the denominator is smaller and the numerator is greater. So here we divide the 7 with 34. 7 with 28. Here we subtract 34 with 28. Our answer is 4 upon 8. So our remainder is 6 and the quotient is 4. So here we change the place value of all these three number. So here we write in the place of 7 4, in the place of 6 7, and in the place of 4 6. So due to this way here we use the cycling method. We change the place and take the place in the place of 4. The 4 will take place in the place of 7 and the 7 will take place in the place of 6. So like this we use the cycling method and we write our answer into mixed fraction. Our answer is 4 integer 6 upon 7. This is your answer. Next, in this exercise 1.3, arrange the following fraction in ascending order. So here we arrange the following fraction ascending order. Very first, here you can see all the denominator is same. So here we arrange the numerators into an ascending order. That means smaller to greater, and keep the sign in between the number smaller sign, because here we arranging the number into ascending order. Then write 1 smaller than 2, smaller than 3, smaller than 4, smaller than 7, last answer write 1 upon 5 smaller than 2 upon 5, smaller than 3 upon, smaller than 4 upon 5, smaller than 7 upon 5, smaller than 19 upon 5. So like this here we arrange the fraction sum into ascending order. Next is the descending order. Here we arrange this fraction into descending order. So here we arrange descending order, that means bigger to smaller, and we keep the sign in between the number is greater sign. So write 57 greater than 34, greater than 18, greater than 17, greater than 1. Then write 57 upon 91 greater than 34 upon 91, greater than 18 upon 91, greater than 17 upon 91, greater than 1 upon 91. This is your final answer. Next, exercise 1.4, add the following like fraction. Here you can numerator denominator is like fraction. That means all the denominator is same. No need to do any LCM method. So here we simply we add the numerators and denominators same. Write denominator one time. 2 9 is given. So here we write 1 time 9. First question 4 upon 9 plus 2 upon 9. So here we add both the numerator 4 plus 2 upon 9. 4 plus 2 upon 9. So this is your answer. Next, following here you can see the addition method is there. So our question is in the form of mixed fraction. The very first we have to change the mixed fraction into the particular sum. So here we add both the two that means add this to add, so here write 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Then we write the both the numerator, that means this 2 number 3 and plus 1, so 3 plus 1 equal to 4. 3 plus 1 equal to 4, here we write equal to 4. Next, and the denominator is same, so write denominator 5 as it is, and our integer is 3 and numerator is 4. Okay, then write 3 integer 4 upon 5. Like this we're finding our the addition of mixed fraction, and our answer is also is in the form of mixed fractions. So that we are going next subtract. So here you can see the like fraction is given. Here we do only the subtraction method. Here we subtract numerator both the numerator is 3 and 3 and 2, then write 3 minus 2, and 5 2 time is given, then write 5 one time, then 3 minus 2 equal to 1 upon 5. This is your answer. Next, add the following. Here you can see the addition method is given. Add the following: 6 plus 1 upon 4. So here the mixed fraction is already separated, so here we add all the fraction and change into a mixed fraction. So 6 plus 1 upon 4 is given, then write 6 integer 1 upon 4. This method we apply in all the sum. Next, solve the following: 2 integer 3 upon 5 plus 1 integer 1 upon 5. Same method here we apply in this question. 2, here we add both the integer 2 plus 1, that means 3, and then again we add the numerator 3 integer numerator 3 and 1, so write 3 plus 1 upon 4, and the denominator is same, then write 5 as it is, then our answer is 3 integer 1 upon 4. Next, we do one problem by using this method fraction. So let's solve this question. Each packet of rice, pulses and paper powder weight 16 upon 20 kg, 7 upon 20 kg, 3 upon 30 kg respectively. Find the total weight of all the packets. So here we are finding all the weight, that means here we add all the fraction. So what problem is given? So always write the sentence, always write your answer in the form of sentence. So what is given in the question and what is not given in the question. So what is not given in the question, so this is our main thing which we are going to find out. So total weight is not given, so we are adding all the fraction. Then write packet of rice equal to 16 upon 20 kg weight, packet of pulses equal to 7 upon 20 kg weight, packet of paper powder equals to 3 upon 20 kg weight. Total weight is not given, so here we are finding the total weight of the particular sum. Write 16 upon 20, 7 upon 20 plus 3 upon 20 equal 16 plus 7 plus 3 equal 26 upon 20 kg. Then write 26 upon 20 is the total weight of all the packet. This is your answer, and always remember you have to write your answer in the form of sentence at the time of solving the word problem.